all the way. Oh, I'm gonna stare at it one more soul can stay. Watch out, you never know. You never know how I'm telling you right.
Mars, ito na. Ano in-order mo? Kasama ang fest gusto? Kakaanan from work, tapos diretso kami dito.
Sabi ko, first time mo pong pumunta dito or?
First time dito po.
Tapos bukas ulit, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, lalo na weekend, balik ka dito lagi.
Sige, tapos kanta ulit kami ha?
Oo naman! Dito po! Dalhin mo yung mga friends mo, mga ka-flatmate nyo. Tapos, dalhin mo si... Ano na?
Si Jowa.
Si Jowa. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Kuya Alan.
I got it made her song. It's a man for different one, and his heart was known to know. Let his home and went so sorry. And he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Mga batingan natin na. A quiet man of music denied a simple thing. Music couldn't play. You're this love through this a thundering velvet hand.
Mayayain lang yan.
His gentle meal sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man, leaving legacy to the leader of the band. Just not for different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel. Living out this life I've chose and come to know so well.
Actually, tinatakpak ko yung legs mo. Kaya nandito ako nakaupo. Baka sabihin lang atin, nakabara ako sa camera nila. Oo, tinatakpak ko yung legs niya kasi para walang pagansya.
I thank you for the music on the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got down. And Papa, I don't think I said I'll love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band.
Yes!
Thank you, Pa!
Palakpakan alam mo na si Alan. Actually, sabi ni Alan, he dedicates that song to his father. Kaya pala magiyak-iyak ka. Thank you, Alan.
Balik ka, Kuya Alan, ha?
Oh, nahiya ka, okay naman pala yung boses mo, nahiya ka pa. Mas maganda pa ang boses mo sa boses ko.
Alright. Thank you, Kuya Alan. Mga kaibigan,